are the subs.
This is my wife's car. Yeah.
Okay. Awesome. Hey, Miss Lady.
Hi.
Awesome. What we got in this thing?
I'll shut the door on you.
Thank you.
I have 4 Audio Ace Joker 15s on a Skar RP2000.
Awesome. Ooh, the AC is pouring on touch. The AC is phenomenal. I love the color scheme.
You gotta feel that heat, and we can ride together, share that beat of love.
6-1 for me.
This 2,000 watts?
2,000 watts.
Ooh. So we're gonna upgrade some power.
Huh?
You can upgrade some power on it?
Yeah. Yeah, we need to get a bigger alternator first, though.
Get an alternator on there?
Yep.
Yeah. Gotta make some electrical juice to get some more power.
Right.
But it sounds good, nice and low. We love it. Awesome. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks.
But first off, the AC. Gosh, nobody has it no more. Can you play it so I get some outside flex?
You what?
Can you play it so I get some outside flex?
He's gonna get outside video.
Thank you.